Storytime with Bloomilang. Wolf Won't Bite by Emily Gravett. Roll up, roll up, roll up. We have caught a wild wolf. I can stand him on a stool. I can dress him in a bow. I can ride him like a horse, but wolf won't bite. I can make him jump through hoops. I can lift him off the ground. I can make him dance a jig, but wolf won't bite. I can miss him every time. I can shoot him through the air. I can saw him into two, but wolf won't bite. We can even place our heads between his mighty jaws, but wolf won't. Do you like the story? It's time to learn target sentences. Repeat after me. Wolf won't bite. Wolf won't bite. Wolf won't bite. I can make him jump through hoops. I can make him jump through hoops. I can make him jump through hoops. Thank you for watching. See ya!